guys, welcome back to Preity Prive. I'm Preity and I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you guys, and if you are new here, do check out my channel and subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, and you can also follow me on Instagram. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. So let's come to the topic. Today I'll be applying a face mask, which is an amazing rose petal powder face mask. So that, as the name suggests, it will be including a lot of rosy stuff. So this is the product. I have mentioned a whole Instagram post regarding the benefits and how I felt after using this on my Instagram post yesterday. If you haven't checked that out, you can check out my Instagram and follow me there as well. So this is from Good Vibes. They make huge variety of natural sulfates and paraben free products. This is an Indian brand and I am promoting Indian brand lately, so I just want to say that all the products are very affordable, very good for your skin, and if you try on my recommendation, do let me know in comments or DM on Instagram. So let's move on to the video. So as you have seen the final result, those are simply amazing. I really want you should try it for yourself and let me know how it is. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep safe, stay healthy. Love you all.